How to sign out of Spotify or how to log out of your account on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out on Spotify or how you can log out of Spotify account. Now, first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Spotify. And there now, in order to sign out or in order to log out, here you'll be at the home page right on your account. You want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. You can see the B option there, the B icon, that's my profile. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed to this page, and here now you want to tap on the option that says settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you'll be headed to settings page. Under settings page, you want to scroll to the very bottom. Scroll down until you find the option logout at the very bottom. Simply tap on logout and it'll ask you for confirmation and you'll be able to log out. So this way you can sign out of Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.